What's happening with crypto? Lots of stuff is happening with crypto. Has crypto gone the way of the dodo? Absolutely not. It is here. It is absolutely viable. It's a viable tool. And that's what people have to understand is they take it. People frequently misunderstand crypto. It's a complicated entity. It's a complicated tool to wrap your head around if you don't just take it for what it is. But that's what it is. It's a tool. It is literally a vessel in order to transfer currency. Okay, you can transfer, you can condense all of your money into one digital wallet. You can keep your digital wallet and you can access it from anywhere in the planet. There's so many different things that make this an incredible tool. And the thing is you can gain interest by investing and buying into crypto at the right time. A lot of people see it as, people see these opportunities to, oh, well, I'm going to get rich and I'm going to do this and I'm going to, hide my money from the government. The crypto cowboys are done, okay? The crypto cowboys are done. It's over. We're looking for like legit, seasoned, educated investors. That's what we need right now. And that's what the crypto world is looking for right now. There's a lot of people who've been lobbying for the last, I'd say 4.5 years now. They've been lobbying, trying to get things in place. The United States is not where it should be just yet, but the United States is on its way. The United States has been behind the times, so to speak, when it came to crypto. There was the time period where they didn't want to get involved in it and they didn't want a part of it. And then other nations, other countries started doing things and started making progress by putting policies in place to secure your funds, to make sure that things are safe so you can buy in and you don't have this concern of my money's gone forever. The United States is taking steps. It's taken some steps to make these things, to implement these policies. In the last 6 to 8 months, a lot of things have happened, and there's a lot more things that are in play. There's also a lot of investors on the sidelines. There's been investors on the sidelines for a good time now. But the thing is they're watching. They've come out and spoken their mind and given their desire to be involved. But they want to be secure. They want to make wise investments. They don't want to buy into, some of these banks that have gone under because they over leverage themselves. Investors don't like to get involved in things like that. Investors like to make sure they're safe and secure. They like to do their research and make sure that they know what they're buying into and they know that it's going to be viable in the future. There's been also more and more people that are actively trading. And these people that are actively trading on a daily basis is causing that fluctuation, but it's also causing a rise. It's causing that, desire for more to buy. That desire for more to buy ultimately increases the value, right? We've talked about that before, the idea of that value going up based on the consumer. The consumer buying in increases the value. It happens in the stock market. It happens with crypto. We saw it in 2020. We saw it in 2021. We saw these cryptocurrencies like skyrocket because there was all these people during the pandemic that were getting, as my homeboy liked to call it, COVID paper. They were getting money from the government. These bailouts, these stipends, they were giving money that they didn't earn because they were sitting at home. But they were also forgiven for their rent and things like that at the moment. So people were taking these opportunities that, hey, this is an opportunity for me to get rich. Okay, so you saw Bitcoin skyrocket, you saw Ethereum, you saw Doge. Doge was kind of a joke. Doge was literally a joke. That's what most people missed. Doge was literally a meme that Musk got behind and was like, wouldn't it be awesome if this meme cryptocurrency actually was the wave of the future? And can you say he's wrong? It would have been really cool if this meme currency just took off and was out of nowhere, out of control. It had its moment. But that's the thing, is it was a meme. It wasn't real. Is there still money to be made in Doge? I don't truly see the potential. To be honest, I don't. Now, there are several currencies out there. And there's a lot of stuff in the media. There's a lot of stuff on social media. There's a lot of people blogging and talking about this, that crypto is on its way out. Crypto's done. It's over. It's a wash. No, cryptocurrency is not gone. Cryptocurrency is something that's... Back in the 70s, there was a professor, and he talked about, he was literally sitting in his office and he recorded this video, and he was talking about the idea that he felt in the near future, this was in the 70s, I think it was like 73 or 70, it was early 70s, 74 or something like that. But he was talking about the idea that he felt there was going to be this time in the near future that all currency was going to go digital. This is in the 70s, for crying out loud. He was talking about the potential of currency going digital and that we weren't going to have paper money anymore. Okay, now there's also everybody's talking about the US dollar right now because there's a lot of speculation. There's a lot of stuff in the politics. There's a lot of stuff in the media. And everybody wants to make the other guy look bad and make that guy look bad. And everybody wants to think like they know the answer. Everybody wants to be the guy with the answer, right? Okay, so I want you to take that with... whenever you're considering these things, I want you to go back and listen to these, interviews, and listen to these little blogs, listen to these podcasts. When you take these things, I want you to have that in your mind. It's like they want to be the one who has the answer. They also want to make the other guy look bad. Okay, I've got no desire to be the guy with all the answers. I'm hoping y'all comment below and we can open this line of discussion so we can really learn from each other. I also have no desire to make anyone else look bad. I'm not bashing anybody. And I say this only not to, toot my own horn or anything. I say this because I'm coming to you genuinely to try to help y'all understand that there is potential out there. And the reality is that by helping y'all, this helps me. Because I am an avid, I'm a supporter of crypto. I'm a trader of crypto. So definitely having more people that are in the market helps me. But I think it helps you too. I know it helps you too. So if you just take the time to research, you take time to watch the trends, you take time to learn the patterns, whether you're going to be an investor for long term or you're going to be a trader or you're going to use it as a monetary tool to transfer money quickly, easily, anywhere in the world. You're not going to have to worry about these exchange rates and things like that because you're literally transferring your money. You're going to turn it into Bitcoin. You're going to turn it into Ethereum. You're going to have your digital wallet, which you can access anywhere. And lots of places take Bitcoin. Lots of places take Ethereum. There's plenty of places that accept these currencies. And because of that, you're not going to have this worry about exchange rates when you're in different countries and things like that, which that is one of the incredible benefits. This is something that the more policies that are put in place in the more different countries and the more different nations, this is going to be a viable tool that's going to help you have better access to your money at all times. Now, am I one of those guys who thinks that all your money should be in crypto? No, I don't. I don't think it should all be in there because of the fluctuation, because of the market, because of the things that happen like that. I think you should definitely have your money a little spread out. You should have it in cash. You should have it on your credit cards, man. You should have it. You should have some in crypto. Now, you don't like crypto, that's cool. You don't have to like it. You don't want to buy into it, don't buy into it. I'm not trying to pressure you. What I'm trying to tell you is there's a lot of people with a lot of questions who want to know, has it gone the way of the dodo? Is crypto done? Crypto's on the rise, baby, and it's not done. It's got a lot of potential, and it's going places. Like I said, The United States is working on putting policies into place. They're getting these things moving. Canada was a couple steps ahead. There's a couple other countries that are a few steps ahead of us as well. You know, I remember O'Leary talking about, why would we not want to? We're America. Why would we not want to be ahead of the game? Why would we not want to be the first? We're not the first. It's okay. You know, we don't have to be the first on everything. That's fine. I'm glad that they're taking steps now. They're making things happen now. So I hope you're paying attention. I hope you're watching what's going on. And I hope you are taking the time to, when you hear these things in the media, when you see these things that politicians are saying, when you see the things that these, even the financial gurus, when they're saying these things, I hope you're taking it with a grain of salt. And then you take a step back and say, what is it they're trying to do? Are they trying to sell me on something else? Or are they trying to bash somebody else? Or are they trying to what? What is it they're trying to do? What is their potential gain here? Where are they going with all this? And that's what I want you to take out of it. I want you to always remember that, because you see a lot of things, and this doesn't just apply to crypto. I wanted to talk about crypto because there's been a lot of talk about crypto lately, and God, it's on the cusp of something great. There's the enterprise is growing, the market is growing, the potential is huge, and there's a lot of people talking about it's done. It's done. It's over. It's done. It's done. It's over. Nah, man. If you think it's done and it's over, you missed something. I don't want you to miss out. So I want you to pay attention. But like I said, I want you to take this into consideration when you're thinking about any of your investments. If you're talking about, if you're doing trading, swing trading, you're doing stock market, you're flipping, you're reselling, you're in real estate, doesn't matter. When somebody starts telling you, hey, this is the way, I want you to take into consideration why. Why are they telling you this? From what perspective are they telling you? What are they trying to sell you? Because we're all trying to sell something. When you start talking and you're trying to push a conversation in one direction, you're not trying to inform, you're trying to sell. I know that. Most people don't want to accept that. So I'm trying to sell you. So you might say, what am I trying to? Well, hey, let's be honest. I'm trying to sell you on the fact that the media and the hype is wrong. And it's not, and I'm not trying to bash anybody. I'm not insulting them. I'm not telling you that they're doing anything intentionally. I'm saying some of them got a misconception. Some people got a misunderstanding. Some people aren't paying attention to all the details that are happening out there. And some people are trying to sell you in another direction. And I want you to make sure and take the time to research, pay attention, and know just what you're getting into. I want y'all to stay tuned. I want you to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, ding your bell, get your notifications. Let's get this popping, man. Let's make some money, and I always say I'm building an empire. I want you to build yours. Let's get it off and going, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy. Until next time, I'm out.